purchase over the last year on Facebook Marketplace. He spends a lot of time on there. We transact a lot on there. We use Venmo for all of it. We utilize that system. Does Facebook want to get into this space? It would seem to. I mean, I know they talked about their own cryptocurrency at one point. That seems to have fallen by the wayside. But it would seem as they develop their own marketplace that they might have an interest in getting into the payment systems.
It's possible. I mean, there's always talk about Facebook looking to do more in various businesses in the same way that people worry about the threat of, Amazon. Could Amazon look to disrupt the payment space and try and monopolize that the way it has, or at least get bigger in it the way that other companies have? But I think right now there are still, people that view Venmo and Square Cash. They trust it, I think, more maybe than Facebook, which, has obviously had some pretty high-profile, issues as of late. So I'd be wary, I think, of betting that Facebook could launch digital payments in a major way and gain market share rapidly. I think a lot of consumers and probably regular users and politicians would balk at that.
Yeah, there. Paul LaMonica from CNN Business. Appreciate you coming on, Paul. Have a great vacation. It was great to catch up with you, and we will catch you again soon.
Thanks. Talk to you in a couple of weeks. Appreciate it. Bye.